VMedic, also known as TC3 Sim, is an immersive multiplayer medical training system that presents students with an interactive first-person 3D serious game for learning and practicing battlefield medicine. TC3 Sim incorporates dynamic casualty models, a high-fidelity physiology engine, and numerous other upgrades that build upon the U.S. Army's Tactical Combat Casualty Care Simulation and the U.S. Marine Corps award-winning computer-based corpsman training system. The TC3 Sim experience consists of mission-driven scenarios that include synthetic casualties generated from realistic visual, behavioral, and physiological models. Combat lifesavers and medics are presented with single and multiple casualties that they must keep alive and evacuate by selecting that appropriate interventions during combat. The trainee chooses the role of a combat lifesaver or medic in a variety of mission scenarios, such as a combat patrol. During the mission, squad members and civilians are wounded, and the injured have to be triaged, treated, and safely evacuated. Combat lifesavers and medics can practice individually or train together in a multiplayer mode where they have to collaborate as they would on the battlefield. TC3 Sim implements story-driven vignettes as skill-building exercises that focus on the triage, treatment planning, situational awareness, 9-line evacuation information, trauma management, and how to collaborate with squad members to successfully complete each mission. Within each mission, every casualty can survive if the correct treatment is applied within the required period of time. If the player fails to assess injuries correctly or spends too much time treating one casualty, other casualties may die. TC3 Sim is equipped with the Simile suite of performance assessment middleware. This allows the system to analyze and evaluate each student's decision-making skills as they navigate through each scenario. Students are evaluated on every critical measure of the treatment for each casualty and provided an explanation of learners' performance and why it was or was not successful. TC3 Sim delivers virtual 3D patients that exhibit realistic signs and symptoms using a physiological abstraction model. This capability ties together realistic animations, behaviors, and audio cues to realistically represent a patient's signs and symptoms. This also allows VMedic to be quickly reconfigured to use low-fidelity models for mass casualty scenarios or high-fidelity models for specific medical training purposes. A mission editor is also included that allows users to create and modify the environments, casualties, and scenarios a learner will encounter. New objects and environments can also be imported into the editor from a number of commercially available tools. Currently, the TC3 Sim and VMedic Serious Gaming platform is available through the Army's MIL gaming portal. It supports numerous instructional strategies across the services and is at the forefront of innovative new research, including the integration of natural user interfaces, integration with an intelligent tutor, and supplementing live instruction at the U.S. Army Chaplain Center and School. In each case, TC3 Sim helps to increase learner engagement, improves training efficiency, and creates an unparalleled return on investment for medical-related training.